Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on camera flash for notifications in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So, where to look for this feature and how to enable it. First of all, we need to go to settings. Then in settings, we are looking for notifications options menu. And then we need to scroll down to flash notifications. By default, this option is turned off. We can tap it, and here we have two options: camera flash and screen flash. To choose the camera flashing as we receive notification, we simply need to tap this option, and we can see preview. It will be our camera flashing, as you can see. And that's all. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.